Hey friend, in this video, I'm trying to show you how to download and install B1G IPTV on Amazon Firestick. Before starting the video, if you need any IPTV, you can contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number available in the description. Let's start the video. First of all, open the downloader app and put that code in the search bar, 9866980. Wait for the 5 seconds. After that, B1G Player is automatically downloading. Just wait for it to download. After download, install, and open it. My service has 30,000 movies, 20,000 live channel, and 5,000 series. Now you need a username, password, and URL to watch IPTV on it. So put your username and password. If you don't have a username and password, then contact me on WhatsApp. I will give you a username and password at affordable prices. If you like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank for the watching.